Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into a topic that's causing ripples, not only in the stock market, but also in the way we think about investing. Have you ever wondered how a single company can change the course of an entire industry? In today's video, we're about to explore the incredible paradigm shift happening in the world of stocks and what it means for all you investors out there. Yes, we're talking about Tesla, the electric vehicle giant, and its impact on the stock market. By the end of this video, you'll understand how this paradigm shift could influence your investment portfolio and change the way you view the stock market. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's break it down step by step, as I'm here to guide you through this exciting journey. So hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because we've got a lot to cover. To understand the present and the future, we must first look to the past. Let's rewind the clock and take a glimpse into the captivating history of Tesla Incorporated. Tesla was founded in 2003 by a group of visionary engineers who dared to challenge the status quo of the automotive industry. Their mission? To accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Over the years, Tesla achieved remarkable milestones, from the production of the iconic Roadster to the game-changing Model S. These cars didn't just run on electricity, they ran on innovation and the determination to revolutionize transportation. But Tesla's ambition didn't stop at electric vehicles, gigafactories, solar panels, energy storage solutions. Tesla's portfolio expanded to address the entire spectrum of sustainable energy. Now, there's no talking about Tesla without mentioning one name: Elon Musk. He's not just the CEO, he's the driving force behind Tesla's vision. Elon Musk, the South African-born entrepreneur, is a living embodiment of thinking big. His influence reaches far beyond the electric vehicle industry, extending into space exploration, transportation, and even renewable energy solutions. After establishing Tesla's history, let's now move forward and discuss the recent developments. Tesla's journey has been marked by constant innovation and change, particularly in the stock market. The company's stock price has been in the spotlight due to dramatic fluctuations. These fluctuations are driven by record-breaking profits, increasing valuations, and remarkable financial results, captivating investors and the public. In the upcoming section, we'll delve into the paradigm shift initiated by Tesla, which is reshaping not only the company itself, but the entire automotive industry. Since we already touched upon the remarkable developments in Tesla's stock, now it's time to dissect the heart of the matter: the paradigm shift. A paradigm shift is a fundamental change in thinking, or the way things are done. And it's safe to say that Tesla has caused quite the paradigm shift in the automotive industry. Let's talk numbers. Tesla, in a relatively short span of time, has not just become an electric car manufacturer, but a leader in the field. It's produced millions of electric vehicles, redefining what we think about going green and transportation. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving capabilities are pushing the envelope on what's possible in the auto industry. Autonomous driving is no longer science fiction, it's a reality. Beyond electric cars, Tesla is investing heavily in renewable energy solutions. Solar panels, power walls, and the promise of a sustainable future have led to a widespread shift in thinking about energy. The paradigm shift isn't just about electric cars and renewable energy. It's about a changing mindset. Investors are no longer looking at Tesla as just another car company. They're seeing it as a technology and energy company poised for a future that's cleaner and more efficient. Now, it's time to discuss the most critical aspect, the main question for this video: what this shift means for investors. Investors worldwide are closely watching Tesla's moves. Whether you're a seasoned stock trader or someone looking to invest for the first time, understanding the implications of Tesla's paradigm shift is essential. First, let's discuss the potential benefits. Tesla's paradigm shift has already proven to be highly profitable for early investors. The stock's meteoric rise has generated substantial returns for those who had faith in the company's vision. Many experts believe that Tesla's focus on electric vehicles, renewable energy, and technology puts it in a prime position for long-term growth. Some even suggest that Tesla could become one of the most valuable companies globally. But, as with any investment, there are risks involved. Tesla's stock can be highly volatile, influenced by factors like competition, regulatory changes, and market sentiment. So, what's the key takeaway for investors? The paradigm shift brought about by Tesla offers enormous potential rewards, but it's not without its its challenges. The key to successful investment in this evolving landscape is informed decision-making. Now on to the next part. We're going to dive deeper into the world of investment strategies when it comes to Tesla stocks. This is where the rubber meets the road. How can you make the most of this paradigm shift and potential investment opportunity? Investing in Tesla isn't a one-size-fits-all endeavor. The strategy you choose should align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. One of the key decisions you'll face is your investment horizon. For some, Tesla might be an ideal long-term investment. This approach involves buying and holding shares for several years, capitalizing on the company's potential for continued growth. Long-term investors often employ strategies like dollar cost averaging, where you consistently invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, or portfolio rebalancing to maintain the desired asset allocation. On the flip side, some investors may opt for short-term trading strategies. They take advantage of Tesla's stock price volatility, buying low and selling high in the short term. Short-term traders use techniques like day trading, where positions are opened and closed within the same trading day, or swing trading, which aims to capitalize on price swings over a few days or weeks. Your choice between long-term and short-term strategies will depend on your financial objectives, risk tolerance, and market expertise. But regardless of your strategy, one principle remains constant: diversification. While Tesla shows promise, it's essential to have a balanced portfolio to spread risk. Diversification is the practice of spreading investments across various asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. It's a risk management strategy that can help safeguard your portfolio. So, as you consider your investment approach, keep diversification in mind. It's a powerful tool to mitigate risk and enhance long-term financial stability. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of Tesla's paradigm shift and what it means for investors. It's been an exciting ride, and we hope you found our exploration both informative and inspiring. From Tesla's groundbreaking innovations and the impact on the stock market to investment strategies and expert opinions, we've covered it all. We've even shared real-life case studies that demonstrate the real potential and rewards of Tesla investments. But the story doesn't end here. The world of investments is ever evolving, just like Tesla itself. If you want to stay ahead of the game, don't forget to stay updated with our channel. And if you found this video valuable, please consider giving us a thumbs up and sharing it with your fellow investors. It helps us continue to create content that informs and empowers. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We're excited to have you with us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, happy investing.